So now it's time to measure what would be the difference between our solution, 2 layers STP Intrigo and STP Bromo, and the stock Toyota weak soundproofing that they do provide by default. Let's do the measurements. We would use our acoustic funnel, so it's organized in a way that there is a funnel inside and the noise will come just in the up. So we will use just a normal GBS speaker. We will use a simple white noise because it's stable from the 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Let's turn on the noise. Now we can hear that noise is coming. Let's put in the middle. First of all, let's check the current state. Now let's put the carpet and see the result. And now let's measure our solution. So as you can see, the difference is more than 9 decibels. That's a lot. It's like twice for human, and it's like approximately 800% in a decibel value, because the decibel, it's a logarithmic value. So that's how it's. Our solution includes vibration damping and sound and heat insulation.